Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Kris Over 50. I don't know about you, but I am so done with this winter, with the cold weather. I am looking for some warmth, some springtime. I thought it would be fun to at least lighten up my makeup, brighten my face, lift my eyes, and I've got the Beauty Wanderess Escape palette to do just that. Let's get into those looks. The MAC 221 is probably my absolute favorite crease brush. And here I am going a little bit above my natural crease with that wiper motion. By going more up on the bone, it is raising the crease. You're going to see I use a lot of rougher brushes. And I'm deepening that outside V. So going over some of what I put down for the crease, but also drawing it down to my outer corner of my eye. Just blending it here with that BK Beauty brush to soften everything out. This is a flat shader brush, and I am really packing that color in on the movable part of my eyelid. I'm just flipping it over and using the clean side now to pick up that pinkish color and going over the top of what I already put down, mostly on the inner third, kind of dragging it to the outside. And this flat shader brush, again, just going right at the lash line, about the outer quarter, and underneath my lash line. And here is the final look. Maybe you got it in BoxyCharm. That's where I got it. I know right now it is sold out on the Wander Beauty website, but they do have a place where you can sign up, so it looks like it's coming back. Or if you really like it and you want it, dermstore.com has it. It's $42. Now, if you don't have this palette and you're not interested in picking it up, I have a $3 solution for you that I will tell you about in just a minute. There are 10 shades in this palette. Moonlit is a shimmer warm champagne. Enchanted, matte mauve purple. Flourish, foil orchid purple. Sunkissed, matte sienna nude. Santorini, satin golden bronze. Nude beach, matte nude beige. Daydream, foil warm peach. Stargaze, shimmer 24 karat gold. Sea glass, shimmer aqua blue. Overnight, matte cool brown. I'm taking a flat shader brush to pick up that shimmer, and you can see I'm going over the movable part of my lid, concentrating really on the inner portion, and now I'm dragging it up almost all the way to my eyebrow. Here's another kind of thicker shader brush. And that blue shade is just going on the outer third. Again, a little bit above the movable part of my eyelid. Going back with that pink one, and just anything left on the brush I'm applying over the blue. Little teeny tiny brush, picking up a highlight shade here. And highlighting under my brow. Now honestly, it was looking a little too blue and weird, so I'm picking up some more of that pink and going back over the blue, creating actually a really pretty shade of purple. That's a smudger brush. I didn't want anything too dark below my lashes, but I did want a little color down there. And voila. I was really happy with the quality of these eyeshadows. They had really good color payout, they went on easily, they blended really well, and they also wore all day. There was a little fallout, and that's when, even if you've tapped off your brush when you go to apply the shadow, it falls on your cheeks. And for that reason, I did start doing my eye makeup before my foundation. Now let's talk about that $3 solution. e.l.f. makes these bite-sized palettes. They're 4-pan palettes for $3. I've owned several of them and I am blown away by the quality of these eyeshadows. And there's one in Rose Water, which, while may not be an exact dupe, would certainly fill the role of the flourish color in this palette. This is a medium density, a little bit fluffier shader brush. I like using it when I want to put down a lot of color, and with this light shade going on my eyelid, that's exactly what I wanted. Now I'm taking a fluffier crease brush, and even though I'm going in with that dark color, it's going up there on my crease, right on the bone, and I'm working it back and forth on the outer half of my eye. Here's another crease brush. And with this medium shade, I'm going over that dark shade that I put down, but I'm also working it all the way into the inner part of my eye. I love this Refer 29 brush. It is a teeny tiny brush and it is great for working color into your lash line and doing super detailed work. If you don't have a tiny brush like this, a sharp angled brush will also work well. And there you go. Here I'm using my finger. Fingers are great for picking up shimmers because the little bit of oil on your skin really packs an intense color. I'm just patting it all over the movable part of my lid. Now with my pinky, I'm trying really hard to get that inner corner. This is a fluffy crease brush. And even though it's a shimmer, yeah, you can use a shimmer in there in your crease and up on your brow bone if you want. Why not? A very small brush here for highlighting under my brow. And a even smaller brush. Sometimes you just get creative with what you're using under your lash line and on your upper lash line. Such a pretty final look. If you enjoyed this video, give me some YouTube love down below. And also you might want to check out this video here. It is my most popular eyeshadow video. And if you wait just a second until the end screen, I'm going to put a video on a really easy technique for smoky eye and also a video review of my favorite eyeshadow palette. Thank you so much for joining me and have a fabulous day.